What's going on, everybody? It's Motorcycle Mike here. Happy Easter. I got a package. Guess we're going to unbox something here. Hayes sent me a message saying that there's a package coming. So, and the UPS man brought me a package. It's from 3-2 Choppers out of Fort Worth, Texas. I got no idea what's in here. It's heavy. But this is going to be something that Hayes wants me to put on the Divorce Sportster bike that we're building for the 30 Dozen Biker Build-Off down at the Smokeout in North Carolina this September. So, I guess we'll see what this thing is. All right. How would it? Probably hardware for something. 3-2 Choppers. What the hell is this? A sissy bar? Maybe it's a sissy bar. I hate the sissy bar we're using on this bike. So, 3-2 Choppers out of Fort Worth, Texas. So, alright. More tape. Oh, this is for a Springer. So, that's going to be for the Springer front end that we're going to use on his bike. So, you know, I got one of these front ends, same exact front end. Let's go over here. Just pretend you didn't see this motorcycle. I can't let nobody know this motorcycle exists yet. That's another story. So, this thing would replace this thing. Hopefully it fits the Springer that we got. So, we'll find all that out. So, but that's the update. We're working on stuff. So, we'll talk to you next time. Happy Easter.